Boom, what's up everybody? My name is Kim and today we're going to be doing a quick overview, impressions of Topaz DeNoise AI. This is not a sponsored video, I just got it for testing purposes and see what I think. So let me know in the comments below if you have tried DeNoise AI or if you want to try it on how you like it. And we're just gonna jump straight into it. So we're inside Affinity Photo, and you can open Topaz DeNoise AI either as a standalone program or as a plugin from Affinity Photo. I like using it as a plugin. And the first thing I want to do, we can see here we have this image. It's not a particularly good image, but it's an image with some noise in it. So if I zoom in, we can see there's a lot of noise here and noise up here on the side here, and we're gonna see how Topaz AI handles this. So let's see. Sorry about that, guys. First thing we're gonna do is just copy this background layer, and then we're gonna go up here to filters, plugins, Topaz DeNoise AI, and it's gonna open up in a new window. So quick overview, we have our regular file menus up here. Then we have, you can mask if you want to. You can get out to the original image and then split view as we have here. Click it like that, brighten it, and then the zoom here. You can zoom in. Then we have our navigation window. We have auto update preview, and then here we have Denoise AI and AI clear. This is more sharpening, and this is denoising. You can have auto detect setting. You can drag these sliders to your liking and low mode or low light mode. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is just see what happens as soon as we take it out of, we open up the image here. So I'm going to go here to split view. You're going to find my bar here. There we go, there it is. And now we can drag this around, and we can see here that just straight out of the box it's doing a really good job on the noise back here. The same up here. Cool. So I'm gonna keep it around here, a little bit higher up. Then we're gonna click this auto detect settings, and for me this is too much sharpening applied. So you can see here it looks halfway decent right here, but if we go back up to this part, you can see that does not look good, and this looks better almost. So, and if you go to AI clear, you can have your levels of noise reduction and sharpening and recovering details, and you can see it's doing a really good job. It's making these edges sharper on this leaf here and so on. So if we go down right here again, we can see it's doing a really good job. I'm going to keep it here on denoise, and then I'm going to just take the sharpening down, and we're going to drag this one up a little bit. And now it's recalculating. See, it's pretty quick and it's calculating. And then you can see it's taking a lot of noise out. And if we go up here again, we can see that it's really doing a good job on denoising, and it doesn't create a lot of halos. It's a little bit around here, but not bad at all. And when you have the image you're satisfied with, you can hit apply down here, or if you haven't opened it as a plugin, it will say save. So hit apply, and then we're gonna open it up here in Affinity Photo again. It's gonna automatically populate in here. So if I zoom in again, or first we can do a full view. So turn it off and on, and you can especially see it down here and up here. So that's with the denoise, that's without. Or we can zoom in here again, and and take a look. So that's quite a lot on noise reduction, and it did a really good job on it, if you ask me, at least in my opinion. So you can see there's a whole lot, and if I go zoom out, just regular viewer, turn this one off here and go, we look at the red channel, you can see there's not a whole lot of red in here, so that means it's not going to be a whole lot of red noise. Green, there's a little bit more, you can start to see, and then blue, there's a little bit more here, and then just reset it. So let me know in the comments down below if you like Topaz DeNoise AI, if you have tried it, if you want to try it. I think it's really good, but if you had to choose to pass program, I would choose Gigapixel, because that does this as well, and I'll be taking a look at that next time. So you sort of get one program that does 3 things instead of one program that does 2 things. And I really like it. It's a quick, simple way, and it works really well on wide field astrophotography as well. So until next time, I'll see you.